Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add text annotations in Revit step by step. Text annotations help you communicate important information, label building elements, and make your construction drawings easier to understand. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project and switch to the floor plan, elevation, section, or detail view where you want to place your notes. Make sure the area you're working on is clearly visible before adding annotations. Next, go to the Annotate tab on the ribbon and click the Text tool. Before placing the note, you can choose a text style from the Properties panel, including the font, text size, and formatting that matches your project's standards. Now, click in the drawing area where you want the annotation to appear. You can click once to create a simple text note or drag to create a text box if you need multiple lines. Type your note, then click outside the text box or press ESC to finish editing. If you need to reposition the annotation later, simply select the text and drag it to a new location. You can also use the Properties panel to modify the text style, alignment, or other formatting options after the note has been created. Continue adding annotations wherever additional explanations or labels are needed. Clear and consistent notes make your drawings easier for architects, engineers, contractors, and clients to understand. And that's it. You now know how to add text annotations in Revit and improve the clarity of your building drawings with professional documentation. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.